Topic 8, Energy, Work and Power. Part 2, Conservation of Energy. The law of conservation of energy says energy cannot be created or destroyed. It may be transformed or transferred or converted or even changed from one form to another, but the total amount of energy never changes. Here is an example of transformation of energy from one form into another. When you plug an electric fan to a power outlet, electrical energy is transformed or changed into kinetic energy of the fan here. What type of energy cooks the food in a microwave oven? The answer is electromagnetic energy. The microwaves carry electromagnetic energy. Here is an easy one for you to answer. What energy transformation occurs when an electric lamp is turned on? Here is another one for you to do. Through photosynthesis, light energy from the sun is changed into what energy? Which is stored in the tree. These are some examples of energy transfer. But first of all, make sure you know what some of these things are. There's battery, stereo, spark plug in a car. And let me just cite a very straightforward example. When you put battery in a torch, then electrical energy is changed into light energy. This is something you could try yourself. Have a go at coming up with a flow chart. Check your flow chart against this one here. Kinetic potential energy transformations. As a basketball player throws a ball into the air, various energy transformations take place. Here is a detailed analysis of the motion of the basketball. At this point here, it has just left the player's hand and it has maximum kinetic energy. As it goes up in the air, it loses kinetic energy and it gains potential energy. When it gets here, it has maximum potential energy. That's the gravitational potential energy. As it comes down, the reverse process takes place. The potential energy is being changed back into kinetic energy. At this point here, it would have gained back the original maximum kinetic energy. Here we are assuming that the air resistance is negligible, but in fact, in real situation, there is some loss of energy due to air resistance.